What is up, everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Jesse's Drone Adventures. First off, I'm gonna get into the video as quick as I can, but a little background here. If I look like crap, if I look like I'm hungover, and you notice I'm wearing the same clothes from last week's video, it's because today takes place the day after last week's video. This was supposed to be a day trip, but things changed, so I just stayed at a hotel in Vegas, and I'm wearing the same clothes, so I feel like crap, but I brushed my teeth, so I'm very proud of that. We're actually heading to a little piece of tropical paradise in Nevada or Arizona, I'm not sure, one of the two, but it's called Little Jamaica, and we're actually here right now, and the pictures and the videos that I've seen on YouTube, it looked pretty amazing, so I'm gonna get right into this. Let's go. All right, guys, so we got to the little parking area of Little Jamaica. Here's a quick peek of what it looks like. That highway right there is Interstate 15. Takes you all the way from Las Vegas to St. George. Pretty easy. This is a little parking area right here. Man, it's a bright one. So this place is literally just right underneath an overpass, which is right there, which you can't see, but I'm pointing to where it is. So we're gonna hike down there and check it out. Let's go. Looks like I'll probably have the place to myself, which is pretty awesome. It's not exactly the summer season yet, so people aren't out swimming. All right, guys, we made it to Little Jamaica. Take a look. Look at that emerald water. This is pretty dope. I don't know how the heck we're gonna get down there, but we'll find a way. I'm just gonna jump off this waterfall in Littlefield, Arizona, known as Little Jamaica. There we go. All right. 3, 2, 1.
All right, bro, I'm coming.
All right, come on.
Woo!
All right, everybody, that about does it for this week's episode. I surely hope you enjoyed it. I have to split because I have crap to do and have to be up early for work in the morning because I have to work. Because I need to collect a paycheck, because I need that money so I can keep making these videos. However, if you do want to donate me $1 million, I would greatly appreciate that, because I can travel to some pretty cool places and make some even cooler videos. However, I do know that $1 million isn't the most feasible nowadays, so if you do want to show some support, definitely just smash that like button. And hey, if you want to see more exotic tropical places like this in Arizona or in the Southwest area, then definitely go ahead and subscribe, because I've got some pretty cool ones coming your way very shortly. So until next week, take care.